Welcome, dear students. We have another construction waiting for us. So here is your first question for today. Construct a rectangle such that one diagonal is 6.6 centimeter and the angle between the two diagonals is 120 degree. So basically in the rectangle what happens is whichever diagonal you take, both will be of same measurement. It means that the diagonals will be equal in rectangle. So that's why your AC is also 6.6 and your BD is also 6.6. But here the angle between the diagonals should be 120 degree. Okay, now all of you know that rectangle is also a special kind of parallelogram. So the way we have constructed the parallelogram, same thing we are going to do here. So we are given two diagonals and we are given the angle between them. So what do you do in that case? You will take one diagonal, okay, and the measurement of that will be 6.6. all right, and you know that when the diagonals gets bisected at the point O, then OB or OD, whatever you take, it will be 3.3 centimeter each. Okay, so then let me first draw the line AC. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AC in order to find what is the midpoint. So here I have drawn the line AC and its perpendicular bisector in order to find the midpoint O. So you see the midpoint of AC is O. Okay. So now at O we will draw 120 degree angle. Okay. Now we will join this point with O and extend it. Okay. So it's better that we extend the line. Now as you can see I have extended the line. So now what we'll do is we'll take half. We will take half of 6.6 which is 3.3. Okay, so let me make the compass of radius 3.3. Now we will keep it at O again. And then we will cut this line, extended line, on both the sides. Okay, so now you join it. You join it. You join C with this point, this with A, and this with this point, and ultimately this with this point. So obviously now you see there is a rectangle which is obtained here. So now you need to write B and D. So here is your required rectangle with the diagonals getting intersected at 120 degree angle, and the diagonal is equals to 6.6 centimeter each. Okay, so you can try this construction without looking into it again. All right, let's move to the next question. So here is the question. So in this case, construct a rectangle whose adjacent sides are 5.6 and 4 centimeters. So I have drawn a rough diagram. So before we go into the problem, please keep in mind that each angle in your rectangle will be, each interior angle will be 90°. Okay, so whenever you are given adjacent sides, you have to construct 90° angle. Keep that in mind. So one is 5.6. So first let's quickly draw 5.6 centimeter. So your AB equals to 5.6 centimeter is ready. Now at A and at B both we will draw 90° angles. So here is your 90° ready. Now from A and from B both I have to take 4 centimeter because the opposite sides will be equal. So for that we will take the compass and make the radius equals to 4 centimeter. Keep it at both A and B and cut the extended line. Now ultimately we will join these two extended line. Okay, so we are done with the rectangle. Now we will write the names. Okay, so we will give the names. So here is your rectangle ready. Let's see this particular question. So in this particular question, we are given one side and one diagonal. Okay, so how to do this? Please pay attention. So first we will draw 5 centimeter line. So your AB is ready. So now at B we will draw 90° angle. So at B you see I have drawn 90° angle. Now from A we will take a line whose measurement is 6.8 and we'll try to extend we'll try to intersect this extended line using 6.8 centimeter. So as you can see I have made the compass 6.8 centimeter. We will keep it at the point A. Okay, and we will intersect this extended line. So let me change the color so that it is clear to understand. Yes, so you see it is getting intersected at this point. So let me call this point as point C. Yes, so my C is ready. So when you join this will be exactly how much? 6.8 centimeter. You can do that measurement later on. Now at C, I'll keep my compass. Okay, by the way, you tell me how much is this gonna be. If this is 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter. So let me first make the compass 5 centimeter. And then we will keep it at C. Now we will draw an arc like this here. Now we will take the measurement equals to CB, because we don't know what is CB here, so we'll take the measurement equals to CB using the compass itself. So I'm keeping it here. Yes, so you can see I have taken the measurement of BC as well. So now we will keep the compass at A and cross this line. We'll keep the compass at this point and cross this line. So wherever it gets intersected, that point will be called point D. Now ultimately, let's join A with D and C also with D. So hence you see that ABCD is the required rectangle. That's all for today. Thank you very much.